Hello, my name is Nelly Pitt, and I'm the founder of BeautyMix. BeautyMix is a 360-degree solution that allows people like you to make their own beauty, bath, and house cleaning products at the touch of a button, all with natural ingredients, of course. BeautyMix is a B2C company, as it puts cosmetic lab capabilities directly in the hands of the final consumer. It is a software project with its mobile app, and it is a hardware project with its smart device. Today, I'm going to present our journey from prototype to market. The interesting thing about BeautyMix is that we are a hardware B2C startup that launched their product and reached profitability without raising funds. The question, how can you be agile? How can you be lean when you are developing a hardware product? Hardware requires expensive tooling, and launching a B2C product requires expensive advertising. Well, I'm going to present our approach and hopefully share some useful tips. First, prototyping without spending money. My first prototype was made of a plastic box and bits and pieces taken from all the electronic devices in my apartment. With 10 euros, I could put a first prototype in the hands of a user and get their feedback on the functions they required and the usability of the product. I tested early and on the cheap. Then design. For a B2C product, design is key. You want a product that will be visually appealing to your audience. There, I used drawings and surveys to get as many people as possible to vote. I then went on from drawing to 3D printing to quickly and easily make samples that could be handled and shown. Third, manufacturing. It is very important to get manufacturers involved in the product design. Even if your product is super useful, super easy to use, and looks beautiful, what's the point if it cannot be manufactured? Again, hardware is not easy. The manufacturers that agree to make small batches are not the same manufacturers that will be able to scale and make your product in large quantities. So I kept that in mind, knowing that my product would evolve over time. You probably know the saying, if your product is perfect when you launch, then you launched too late. And this is also true for hardware. It is very important to get user feedback very early. Then, once you have your product manufactured, you need to sell it. For hardware product launch, a common approach is to launch a crowdfunding campaign and to do pre-sales, to raise the money, the funds, to invest in tooling and start manufacturing. But in this case, you then have to fulfill large orders for a product, a design that you have not tested yet. And this is very dangerous. We chose to launch gradually, slowly. We tested 10 products. We improved our design. Then we sold 100 products. And we improved our design again. And then we manufactured 1,000 products, improved our design, and then on to 10,000 products. At each step, we unlocked new problems and we found new solutions. Then for scaling, the usual approach for startup is to remain 100% digital, sell direct through their website, and use digital advertising. The thing is, on the B2C market, and especially on the beauty market, which is our market with BeautyMix, digital advertising is very expensive. Our strategy was to go to brick and mortar stores, the good old way. This strategy allowed us to be available nationwide with a sales force available to present and explain our product, which was very important because our product is an innovation. It needs to be explained. Everybody knows that if you want to bake a very nice homemade cake, you've got tons of tools that you can buy for your kitchen. But who knows that you can also make your own face cream or shampoo with ingredients that you choose at the touch of a button. So this approach was very successful for BeautyMix, and we first grew through sales in stores. This is our story from prototype to market. We have built a large user base and we have reached profitable operation, all without talking to investors, without a crowdfunding campaign, and without digital advertising. Our strategy has paid off, and this strategy was to put the user first, put a product in the hands of users and build our company from there. So I hope this story is useful for you and will give you some ideas to innovate not only in your product, but in the way you scale and build your company. Thank you.